having a good time walking in the streets of Canada without a visa. How does it feel? Walking in the streets of Canada without a visa. Hey, we're going on beautiful, right? Good block already. That's good. Okay guys, say hello to my colleague from Kenya over here.
Umwambia nakuja home, naenda home. Umwambia naenda
He's heading home for vacation after making a lot of money, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck you. Fuck a lot of money.
Okay, see you, ciao. So guys, welcome back to Banana Boy KE. That's how we're starting this video today. That was my friend, his name is Julian. And we're heading to Vancouver. Actually, we are in Vancouver. And one deck up. Okay. So I'll be taking you out, guys. Let's see. The Vancouver weather is not really good, but we gotta go. Yeah, man.
Thank you.
You going home?
Yeah. I wish.
You're still here.
Wait, too much. Over luggage.
Okay. Sorry. So you have to check out with security before you head out. Vancouver is raining. A really bad weather. But I'm happy the camera is waterproof and I have a hoodie. So it's gonna rain on us. I'm ready for that because I just need to experience Vancouver. So one of the experiences is raining. Bad weather today, but we don't mind. It's your boy Vic Caesar. See you now. We have a mission. We have to do what to do. We gotta do this, guys. Yeah. Make sure you are happy because you are not happy. Be happy. Yeah. So guys, as you know, Vancouver is one of the big cities in the North America. That's in Canada. Vancouver is located in BC. BC is British Columbia. So it's one of the big cities. We head all the way out. So it's gonna be like a little process. Either way, we almost out. That's the exit, ma'am? Crew? Yeah. Thank you. Perfect. I've never been out in this port, so that's why I need to ask. Okay. Last week we had a very nice weather in Vancouver. It was sunny all day. But then, can you see the beautiful ducks? Are they ducks or birds? One is taking a shower there. Wow. They're having a good time. And these are just birds, I think. They're not ducks because they always fly. They really fly high. Hello. Okay. The ducks or birds are really having fun. When you call them birds, it's easy that way. They're having fun. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure, because your boy Banana Boy KE takes you around the world every day. new places every time. So far so good. I don't know what time you're gonna watch this video, but trust me, I got plenty stuff loaded for you, and it's always coming out, never stops. Zandam. These are scooters for people with mobility issues or someone who has a mobility challenge. They take that. It's a long way to go before we get out. Very long way. Hello there. Exit for the crew?
Yeah, are you a crew member?
Yeah.
Okay, you have your crew ID?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need to
See
show
it?
it? Alright.
You need to show it every time you come in and out. I don't, you're sideways, dude.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thanks.
That's good?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to show the IDs. I don't know if I need to show to this guy too, because we have a lot of security everywhere. So there we go. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So as you see, you have to show your ID always. You cannot just go out and come back. ID is very, very important, guys. Just showed my ID, and now I'm heading out. We almost there. It's a long journey, but guys, stay tuned. Almost there. So that's the way out, and here are the buses. So here are the fast express travel. International. We're almost out, guys. The port is really huge. It's massive. The port is massive. Massive. Hotel and convention center. So those people have meetings. Because Pan-African Fitness Club. I think there's a mall right here. It's called Pacific Mall. Not far from here. But outside, guys, it's raining, and I still have to go through the rain. No other way. This is the parking slot or the pickup area. But the Trade Center. And we head our way out. Hello, ma'am. I see you. She's from Fiji. She's from Fiji. Bro, the mall is after us? Okay. Now let's face the reality. Now it's raining, guys, and welcome to the rainy Vancouver. Oh, it's across the road? Oh. And where are you going?
I'm going there.
What's there? Oh. Is that? So it's raining out here in Vancouver. And guys, you already know about Vancouver. Beautiful city. Really nice places. I have to be a good boy and go all the way to the other side. Pan Pacific Hotel. The Pan Pacific Hotel. I have to be good and follow the zebra crossing for me to go to the other side. That's what we call being a nice guy. Otherwise, if I was back at home, just cross the road as long as there's no vehicles. Canadian flag everywhere. It's raining, guys. I don't know if you're able to see the rain on the camera. But the camera is waterproof. What? McDonald's. Used to work in McDonald's. Anytime I see McDonald's, I'm like, oh, it reminds me of some hell. So can you see the water, guys? It's a lot of water. It is what it is. There we have a nice Tesla, British Columbia. And traffic control, we have the police here. It's a very nice Dodge. And here we go. We are finally heading to the mall. Fairmont Hotels. Yes. And we have a bear. We have a bear. Let me work the camera. Yeah. The bear doesn't want me to play with it, so. Very nice. Granville Square. I'm looking for the Pacific Mall. Hopefully I'm gonna find it around this corner. And I try go do some shopping.
Now you push your style up.
Oh, this Subway, McDonald's, I guess this must be it. But in the meanwhile, let's look at the streets of Vancouver. These are the streets of Vancouver. Guys, it's raining. Of course, I'm not going to risk my life with the rain down, and later on I catch a cold. So to avoid all that, we go in food courts. Waterfront Center food court shops. What's that? My camera's been rained on, but luckily it's waterproof, so we don't need to worry about that. This is the Pacific Mall. If you've been here, then you know. You should know better. Right stuff, that stuff. It's a shop that is coming soon, and it looks like it's gonna be a pizza chat time. So nothing much, guys. I'm just walking through this place. And you all know. You all know. I don't like McDonald's. You all know that. I used to work there. And there is Subway, so I like Subway. I also work in Subway. I love Subway. I love Subway because I worked there and it was a nice place for me. Some nice places, like a friend of mine from Canada used to tell me about Tim Hortons. So this looks like Tim Hortons that I used to hear about. She used to tell me I can come. She used to tell me that I can come and experience the place, or I can even come and work there. Let's go up and see what they have. Nothing much, guys. I'm going to show you. I'm looking for a certain shop. I'm not gonna ask anyone. If I find it, okay. If I don't find it, okay. So looks like I'm going outside. What's on this side? Okay. Fashion, let's explore. Ah, looks like we are out and about. Internationally. Hello there. Where are the retail shops? Retail shops?
Downstairs.
Oh, that's where we have the retail shops. Like I can buy cameras or stuff.
Oh no, you have to go to Pacific Center Mall.
Oh.
Which is about
Across
3 blocks up.
Okay, thank you. So the right place I'm supposed to go is outside this place. So I need to go down. Go all the way out. Nice. So the only people I always ask about locations are the security guys. He told me I need to go to the Pacific Mall, which is somewhere outside, 2 blocks away. I'm not worried about that. We get lost together. That's the way. Get lost together, and that's how we get to tour and explore the place. You can know if you're hungry. This way you're supposed to come. If you're a foodie, you already saw something you like. I'm not a foodie. Depends on where I am. Depends on the cuisine. Sometimes I'm a big fan foodie. So we go up. These are very tiny. Someone who is huge cannot go through this space. It's really tiny. Blocks away. Shit. Time for vehicles to move. There's nothing I can do about it. Just wait for the sign. Once they get a red, we're good to go. Water. Okay, it's about time. Let's go. Go, guys. So can you see how it's raining? It's raining in Vancouver, but the temperature is not bad. It's not like it's cold. It's not cold. It's just raining. It's warm. We said like 2 blocks you can get to Pacific Mall. So we're going up and see. Gonna get there soon. Guys, we are in Canada. If you don't know, we are in Canada. We are in Vancouver. We having a good time walking in the streets of Canada without a visa. How does it feel? Walking in the streets of Canada without a visa. Hey, the boys are beautiful, right? Good block already. That's good. Welcome guys to the streets of Vancouver. Where is the Pacific Mall that we are talking about? How far is the Pacific Mall that we are talking about?
I've been
No network. The next crossover. We have to wait for the light. Showing green. Ambulance. Okay, let's go. Because when an ambulance is coming, you should give it way, right? I didn't have airtime, that's why I need to buy some airtime. supposed to allow offline mode, but I don't know why it's not allowing offline mode. Either way, we need to buy some haircut. Pacific Center. I was unable to buy stuff there. There was nothing. I didn't get anything there. No probability of any cars. No. So guys, all the way back, we have made it in Canada. So I was given some change, some coins. I don't know if I keep them on souvenirs, because I don't know. If I find someone on the streets, I'm gonna give. If I find someone on the streets, I'm gonna give some coins. I was given change here, and for sure that change I'm not gonna spend it in the US. So since I'm already in Canada, guys, I don't really wish to meet people begging on the streets, but if I meet, if there is someone, I'm gonna give them. Just if there is gonna be someone, I'll give them. I'm done. Hey bro, where's the pot? Where is the pot? Pot.
Sorry?
The pot.
Airport?
No, the pot.
The port for the ship.
Yeah.
Vancouver City Center. Yeah, I have no idea.
You have no idea from here. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. All the way down?
Google. Do you want to check on map?
Yeah, that will be easy. So I don't have internet.
Vancouver port, right?
Yeah. And are you actually able to call someone who's in Canada? Because I'm from the US. We are with the ship at the port, and I was trying to call someone here, and my network couldn't call.
Where exactly you want to go? Vancouver port?
Yeah.
I don't know if this is the one, maybe this one. It's near the 1.5 kilometers.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's straight. The port
Oh,
is
straight.
line.
Okay.
So if you go straight,
Okay.
yeah.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
follow that.
you can call this one.
Yeah, this one.
Plus
I was trying to call it with my other number, but it doesn't call in Vancouver. Oh, it's going through.